What up? It's me, Teddy Killer, and here's my video on my new bike that I got. Alright, so it's a Hoffman bike. Right there, it says Hoffman, and I bought this bike from. I bought this at Dick's Sporting Goods. You could pretty much get it at any Dick's Sporting Goods, but sometimes they might not have it because on the website it says that you could only order it online. But luckily this bike was there and I just bought it right away. Alright, so there it is. There's the stickers right there. It had more stickers, but I didn't want to keep them on there because they look gay. Alright, so the top tube is a 20.5 inch top tube, I think, and I'm my height is 5'9", but it fits me perfect. I could do anything on it, and so. Oh yeah, and it's the Hoffman Avs, and so it has an integrated headset, but it's like not really integrated. Well, it's integrated, but it doesn't have the real headset that's supposed to be on there. Right there, that plastic part right there, it's pressed into the tube. So it makes it seem like it's not integrated, but it is. But you're just supposed to put in like the special bearings in there, because the bearings in there, they're not sealed. They're like unsealed. So I'm gonna probably get a better headset for it, and then. It is a 25:9 ratio, and then it has I don't know what it's called. I think it's a single brake lever. I don't know. And then it has a I don't know if you can see it. A 20 by 2.20 tube, and then it has a seat and a tube combo, and then I guess that's pretty much it. It has Hoffman grips and Hoffman bar ends right there. Alright, so the way how this bike rides at the park, because there's a skate park around, and so when I ride it, it's like a soft ride, like if you put in the right type of air pressure in your tires, then it's gonna be riding right, like it's gonna feel right when you ride up on the ramps. And so like, since I got my new bike, I just like started going up and down the ramps, like dropping in, going up a rolling ramp and onto a mini ramp so you could get some air. And then also, this bike is very light too. I think it's 25 pounds, and the bike comes with 3-piece cranks with a mid tube and a mid bottom bracket already installed. So it's like when you buy it, it's pretty good. It's like pretty much pro already. You just, if you want to make it even more pro, you just got to switch out the parts. And so I put that tennis ball in there. I don't know if it's true or not, but people say that it's to show off your rims, so I guess I just started doing it too. And so put on a VIN sticker right there. Alright, so some of the things that might happen when you first get it is the company, or if you get it from the store, sometimes they might not tighten the faceplate that good, so you might have to tighten it, or you just might have to sand off the paint before you like ride, because when I tried a bunny hop, like I landed hard, so like I got some bar slip, and like I had to do a lot of things to fix it and everything. And then the sound of the hub, it sounds pretty good. Hold on. Alright, so the hub sounds like this. Alright, so the hub pretty much sounds like that. So if you're worried about that clicking noise, it's already loud. Unless if you want to switch it out with a different hub and make it louder. And then if I were you, I would get like a pair of new grips too, because these grips, they're not really good. Like I got this bike like 2 weeks ago, and the grips are already starting to wear out, or they already are. You see right there, it's starting to peel. And another problem is sometimes, like the same thing with the bike shop, they might not like tighten everything. So like this doesn't happen to all bikes, but sometimes like the cranks, the bolts in there, they might loosen, so it kind of sounds squeaky, because either they never put grease in the spindle, or like you just have to tighten it. So that's all you have to do to it. And so the things that I'm gonna do to this bike is for sure I have to change the headset, because I want a new one, and I need a new stem. I'm probably gonna get the Animal Remix stem, and for the headset, it's probably gonna be either Shadow Conspiracy or Colt. And then for the tires, I have to get new tires too, because you have to get fat tires for the skate park. And I'm gonna probably get the Animal Monster Truck tires. I'm not gonna do much to the cranks. I'm probably gonna keep them the way how they are, because they're already good. But the pedals, for sure, you have to change them though, because look, the pins are rectangles, and it doesn't really go into like the bottom of your shoe. So you're probably gonna need to get some better PC pedals, like probably some Haro, some Odyssey, and then I guess that's pretty much it. Like later on, when the rear hub breaks, I'm probably gonna get a better one. And then for sure I have to get I forgot what the seat was called, but it's like the tube right there. It's not like that. It's separate, and so it's like that. The tube, it goes into the seat. Not the seat tube, and then you just put in the seat and it goes in the middle right there, and then there's a bolt where you have to tighten it so that way it stays like that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do to the bike and all the pros and cons of it.